Hey, I'm happy you're here with me. I hope you're doing okay today. The other day, I was in the kitchen making some porridge. I thought porridge, oats will be fine. Just something simple to eat. I left it on the stove for a moment and I just went to do something quickly on my computer. That will be okay. It will take a little bit of time. I was gone for just a few minutes, or maybe it was longer. Well, I wandered into the kitchen, just thinking about my computer work. I suddenly started to smell something. Okay, not good. I had actually completely forgotten about my food. I saw the porridge and instantly grabbed the pan and quickly took it off the flame. I stirred the porridge oats and the top looked fine, but the bottom was not. It did not look so good. My porridge was already sticking to the bottom of my pan. And, well, a lot of the pan was burnt. Whoops. Okay, the pan is not looking good. The porridge is one thing, but yeah, the pan is worse. The oats are stuck on and it's all black. And you know when you probably say something to yourself out loud. Maybe, oh man, I added some water thinking it might help, but it did not really help that much. And so you want to deal with the pan and try to fix the situation here, but no idea if it sometimes just actually makes things worse. Now everything just smells like burnt food. With a spoon, I scraped out, I rescued and ate the oats that were still good. but I just left the rest of the hard stuck oats in the pan with water to soak in the sink. I will just deal with that later. So, all from something that was meant to be simple. One of those moments where you just leave something, but then regret it later. Okay, that won't happen next time. Has something like that ever happened to you? Have a great day. I can't wait to see you next time.